Hi everyone. If you want to wow your guest without breaking the bank, let's make this stunning party arch DIY style. You can hang it on a wall, doorways, or stand. You can curve it how you like, classic arch, half moon, or even full moon. In this video, I will show you how to create a beautiful budget-friendly party arch using simple materials, many of which you might already have at home. For the frame of the arch, you would need any flexible plastic pipe or even any metal wire would do the job. Some soft twigs or branches and string or zip ties. I used a flexible pipe left over from my previous DIY project. This pipe was in parts and it is almost 2.5 meter long when assembled. By all means, you can increase or decrease the length according to your requirement and space. I secured the twigs and the pipe tightly using the zip ties. You can use any string or even wool to tie them up. I secured them with the pipe and made sure they were not flimsy at all. Once the frame was sturdy enough, the fun part began, and that was decoration. I use plastic flowers and vines to give it an exotic organic vibe. The best part is that you don't need to fill every gap, as leaving some space adds to the charm. I used different types and colors of flowers like assorted roses, peonies, and wisteria vines. The fun part is that after party, you can store the frame and can transfer it completely according to the next party theme, and can easily customize the arch with balloons, ribbons, buntings, or lights. Even with the same idea, you can make small wreaths or other decorations. This is very simple, cheap, easy to make idea that instantly brighten up any celebration. If you like this party arch, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas.